Hi, I'm Justin, and for my final project, I wanted to simulate a one-legged block jumping based on a user's set stiffness, damping, gravity, and leg size. I created my code to allow for 4 different sliders to let the user adjust these as they want. By running the simulation, it outputs a plot of the height over time of the system. It outputs a video of the system, and by pressing run optimization, after about 2.5 minutes, it outputs the optimal damping, max height of the system with that damping, the max height of about 100 or 50 different simulations to find the optimal damping, and then a video of the optimal damping or optimized system. And finally, it outputs a plot of the max height over time of the optimal jump, or the height over time of the optimal jump, and the height over time of the user-defined jump. And to do all of this, I made an app, or I first made a Jupyter notebook that describes the system, the simulation function that finds like the velocity to make the jump the same way every time, and I have it for my Jupyter notebook. I had it output a simple GUI with some simple sliders, but that was a little bit annoying to do every time or to use every time. So I asked ChatGPT for a little bit of help, like we did in class, to translate my Jupyter notebook code into an app. And it has different routing for the different button presses that you can do, the run simulation, find the optimal, and reset the simulation. My app makes sure that you install all of the necessary requirements, and then it talks to both the index, the simulation, and the optimization Python codes to run the simulation just like it did in the notebook. It runs it the same type of simulation. I have 2 different ones for a single jump or alternate jump, which is just continuously jumping. I like that one because it shows a better variation over time. You're able to see a lot more data with it. For the index, I just changed the colors to my liking, changed the font to my liking for the background and for the buttons. And all of my user input data goes to a CSV that is read by the simulations in order to properly create the simulation. And the way that it works is you just, let me Control C in the terminal to reset it. Then I run the app. It goes to a website that you can find in the README. It tells you how to get to it, reload it. I can change these as I want. I can run the simulation. And after a few seconds, it's ready. And I should be able to press it unless something went wrong. There we go. And now it has the plot and the video of the simulation. And then you can run optimization. It normally takes about 2.5 minutes, so I don't have time to show that, but that's about all there is to it. And that's about it. Yeah, thank you.